So I'm now at the Hasselblad stand at the photography show, and one of the things that a lot of people were concerned about with the X1D was that recently it was supposedly discontinued. So Hasselblad hasn't announced any new cameras, and they've apparently discontinued the X1D. So I'm here with Chris Coos from Hasselblad, and just wanted to ask a couple of questions regarding the X1D. And the first thing is, a lot of people are concerned about the fact that it's been supposedly discontinued. So what's going on with that?
No. The X system X product has not been discontinued. There's still stock in the channel out there. There's no problem with that. We've continued to release accessories, and as you saw last year, new lenses. 3 new lenses. If we were discontinuing the system, we wouldn't do that.
Fantastic. So is it just the fact that B&H has discontinued it on their website? Is it just that they've run out of stock?
I think it's just they ran out of stock, so they discontinued it as a listed product at that point, yeah. There's still stock out there in other channels.
Brilliant. So you're obviously supporting it. I mean, you've just released the 80mm f1.9, which has been given some fantastic reviews. So it sounds like good things are coming forward.
Yeah, very much so. We launched the 80-19, but additionally the 65 and the 135. We've just released 2 new accessories that people have been shouting for in terms of cable release, dual charger. So there's lots going on with the X system, no problem at all there.
Fantastic. So another thing that a lot of people were looking forward to or interested to know about is the H6D. So historically speaking, whenever Phase 1 has announced, I shouldn't be mentioning their name here, but whenever Phase 1 has announced like a new camera with a new sensor, Hasselblad has always kind of released with a new camera or announced a new camera around January, around February. We're now in March at the moment. We still haven't heard anything. So a lot of photographers who are Hasselblad shooters are getting a little bit antsy and they want to know what's going on.
Yeah, I can understand that. New technology coming out, our photographers always want that new technology straight away into the latest backs and so on. But yeah, we're always working on the new products, and as new technology comes out, we will incorporate that into our systems. We're moved to more of we want it to be ready and able to ship that product when it's finished, as opposed to announce and ship at a later date. So technology will be incorporated into these systems, yes.
So should we expect a 150 megapixel camera, or are you not going to say anything just yet?
I can't comment on products we're working on, I'm afraid. I'd love to, but we can't comment on that product.
No problem at all. Well, in any case, I'm glad that the X1D hasn't been discontinued, and that's just complete nonsense, so we can look past that. Just want to say thank you so much for your time, Chris.
No problem.
Great speaking to you today.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you.